Welcome back to the frickin' channel, Walking on Water. In today's episode, we are days away from 4th of July, and being a veteran with the Army, spent some time in Afghanistan, I just want to thank every frickin' armed service member or service member in general. Thank you so freaking much for your guys' service and everything you've done for this country. Independence Day is a few days away, and I thought, wow, we have got to do a 4th of July fishing channel on Walking on Water. So we are going into the most American place on the frickin' planet, and that is Walmart, baby. And we are gonna get all the red, white, and blue lures we can find if we don't get kicked out on the way in there, looking like America. And yeah, we're gonna go tomorrow morning and we're gonna freaking fish it for you guys. And we're just gonna catch some big old trout on some American lures, baby. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we made it into the store. We managed to evade all of the employees and we have yet to get kicked out. America. Okay, we're at the lures and literally we might have to change up the plan a little bit. There's actually not any pure red, white, and blue lures here. So I think we're gonna pick out one red, one white, and one blue. We're gonna go down to the lake tomorrow morning and we're gonna freaking bonk or blow up some fish with these red, white, and blue lures, okay? So let's check it out. Thomas B with a blue blade. That's looking hot, that's looking hot. A Meps Zero spinner, red and white. I like that. And then this Jake's Spin-A-Lure, red and white. So look, red, white, and blue. Let's get down to the lake and bonk some. We're out here on the lake. Beautiful, crisp morning in Northwest Idaho. Independence Day is just days away. We just got out here. We're throwing on the red, white, and blues right now. We will be in the water fishing in about 10 to 15 seconds. Like, subscribe, and share. Comment on a video, share out a video. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we are doing a massive fishing giveaway. It's gonna be pretty sweet. I'm super excited about it. We're gonna hit 1,000, you guys, 100%. So you might as well share out a video, okay? You might as well like a video. And you should definitely subscribe because we got a lot of good content coming out. We've put out some good content so far, but it's only gonna keep going up. So like, subscribe, comment, share a video, enter to win massive fishing package, okay? I know there's fish in here. There's 100% fish in here, North Idaho, and there's not a more American or fished fish than rainbow trout. We've got red, white, and blue lures, Walmart, rainbow trout, okay? Independence Day. Oh, fish, 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 fish. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Freaking America, baby. American fish. Let's go. Oh my gosh, no way. No way, you guys. Get out of here. A freaking little baby largemouth bass came up and hit that spinner. What a hungry little guy. America, baby, let's go. Oh, fish, 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 fish. Let's go, baby. Freaking America, let's go. Let's freaking go, you guys. America. This is a freaking American fish right here. Freaking American fish. Let's go. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You've got to be kidding me. It's a freaking crappie. It's a freaking crappie, baby. Just hit a freaking spinner. Red, white, and blue fishing challenge. So far, we've gotten a small largemouth bass and a crappie. And we're out here hunting the all elusive freaking rainbow trout. Okay, sending it back. Fish on while I was letting it out, baby. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. While I was letting the freaking rod out, fish on. Oh boy. Let's freaking go. America, baby. Let's freaking go. Letting the freaking rod out. Thumb on the spool. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. This is a good fish. Yeah. Get it in the boat. Let's freaking go, baby. Independence Day. Let's freaking go. As I was letting the freaking rod out, let's go. Spooling it. Next thing I know, it bird nest my spool because it started ripping on it so freaking fast. I didn't have my thumb on it that tight. I was letting it out, I felt the fish, and it zapped it out. The ever elusive freaking rainbow trout, American. Let's go. Walmart. Rainbow trout, baby. Red, white, and blue fishing challenge. Okay, let's go. This thing's lip's pretty tore up, but I'm gonna try to recover it. This is a pretty good sized freaking rainbow, you guys. That's a fatty rainbow. Just came up and clocked it. Beautiful fish. Let's freaking go. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, baby. Let's go. Come on. Let's freaking go. About freaking time. Fourth fish, baby. 4th of July. That's what we're after. We can actually land this one. We've been trolling for like 45 minutes now. We've lost 2 on the other side of the lake. And then now we're hooked up into this one. Oh, please don't head shake off. Let's go, finally. Number 4 fish of the day. Red, white, and blue lure challenge out here, or should I say up here in Northwest Idaho. Independence Day is right around the corner. We will be celebrating on 4th of frickin' July. Fourth of July, baby, 4 fish. Look, gorgeous. The couple rainbow I pulled out of here are just fat. Gonna get this fish back in the water. Fourth of July, you guys. It is freaking literally a couple days away. We're out here bonking with American lures, baby. Red, white, and blue. We caught 3 different types of fish today. A largemouth, a crappie, and 2 gorgeous fatty rainbows. Gonna make sure this fish gets good and recovered. Starting to give me some twitches. There it goes. Oh, fish, 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 fish. Let's freaking go, you guys. No way. Number freaking 5, baby. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Headed back to the dock. Headed back to the freaking dock. Red, white, and blue lure challenge. Oh, come on, baby. Let's freaking go, you guys. Fish number 5, you guys. 4th of July fishing lure challenge. That red, white, and blue spinner is literally hammering. 4th of July fishing challenge. Let's go. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into this episode of Walking on Water. 4th of July is literally a couple days away, and again, I want to thank absolutely every service member, men and women, of course. Just thank you guys so much for your sacrifice for our great country, the United States of America. Everybody needs to be safe. Please, on 4th of July, have a ton of fun, blow some stuff up, but be safe. Like, subscribe, and share. It was an absolute pleasure to bring you guys the red, white, and blue lure challenge. We absolutely killed the fish today. Stay tuned for the next one.